Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix app crashing issue on iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 26, and now some apps keeps crashing on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device, and then you have to go to general settings, and then go to software update and check if there is any beta update available for you. Then you have to simply update it, and after this restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go back and open your app store, open your profile, and from here you have to simply update all of your iPhone apps on your device. So guys, you can see this, simply tap on update all and update all of your apps. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then open settings again, and then go to general settings again, and then go to iPhone storage, and from here check if your iPhone storage is full. Then you have to simply delete some useless data, and from here delete some useless apps from your iPhone as well. So guys, do this, and after this give a force restart to your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.